This is 3701 Holton Road. And we had quite the project here, didn't we, Dylan?
Oh yes.
Just did some smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors everywhere. But Dylan and I did this project together.
Don't judge the beer on the job site.
And we're drinking on the job because this is our last day here before we sell the place.
Cheers, eh?
Cheers. And this is the bathroom. Dylan did all this. Tile work and nice fixtures in the shower. Looks pretty clean. Flooring, new toilet, new vanity. It's a little dim in here right now, but
Let me fix that.
got all the fresh colors. Did all the pine, knotty pine looking trim in the house. Pretty cool. Resanded the floors. It's only a couple spots that are a little dark, but this is the fresh kitchen. And sink. But you see the backyard's all tore up because we had a septic issue that was not planned for on this house. And it ended up costing us like $20,000. So there's ups and downs to real estate. And that was a pretty big downer.
Very big.
Very big downer. And this is the other bedroom. 3 bedrooms.
Show them that the lights work, dude.
Oh yeah, the lights work too.
It's got electricity in this house.
Yeah.
Hard to beat that.
Windows are a little dirty, but they still bought it, so that's fine. Still got dirt mounds back there, but yeah, they had to put in like 3-4 tanks right here. And then we had to run power out to the drain field, which was just crazy. Windows are too dirty and the sun's too bright. You can't really see it, but it's the other bedroom. But we did siding outside. It's a busy road, so that was like kind of a drawback. You know, we got some pine trees dropping a bunch of needles on the house. But new siding out there, looks good. It's got a stream on the right side of the house that runs next to it. It looks like a stream, and we thought it was a stream, but it's really just like an irrigation ditch. But I think the sellers like it, or the buyers like it, so whatever floats their boat. And that's pretty much it. We're done, and it's been a big pain in our ass, so we're happy about it. Thanks for checking it out.